How to open an account for the Capitec online banking. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want to open a new account for Capitec bank account, here is the process. First of all, make sure you have downloaded and installed the Capitec Bank mobile banking application, or you can use the website version as well. So once you have opened the application, there are two options. You can either sign in or open an account. Choose the second one and then choose if it's a personal account or a business account. It is named as Global One for the personal account. The process is quite simple. So first and foremost, you need to know about the eligibility. So you should be 16 years or older and have a valid South African ID, also known as SAID. So if you meet this criteria, tap on continue button. Then after, provide your SAID number and cell phone number and tap on continue. This way, you should receive a verification code via SMS on the number provided. Enter the verification code to confirm your identity. You may also be prompted to take a selfie for additional verification. Then provide basic details about your employment and financial status. Review and sign the account agreement as it is prompted. After that, create your 5-digit PIN and you're all set. So that's all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.